Hello there, this is the fairbinaryoptions.com and the Euro, Great Britain Pound currency pair that I would like to discuss today. As I would say, we are on the brink of seeing a squeeze high. I don't know if the squeeze is going to come out of the Great Britain Pound weakness, but I would most likely say that it's coming based on the Euro strength. So looking for Euro, Great Britain Pound to the upside. The thing is that the whole move that you see here to the downside, from my point of view, this is definitely not a corrective move. This is definitely not an impulsive move. It is, if you want, a mix between the two. This is being called the terminal impulsive move, and the terminal impulsive move still respects all the rules of an impulsive move, only that all the waves are corrective. You might say, alright, how come are corrective? Because this one here is no corrective wave. Well, I wouldn't be that sure. I would say that the move to the downside here is nothing but an A, B, C. So this to be the first wave here, like this. Let me take a polyline, if I can find it, of course. Now, to be 1, 2, 3 in here, then to have the fourth wave here, and then the fifth wave comes in the form of a triangle for the terminal impulsive move. A, B, C, D, E, and basically to be done here. What's important for a terminal impulsive move is the fact that this move, all the legs are corrective. It is still labeling, or it should be labeled with numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and should go and take the previous highs, because it is always, but mark my words, always 100% completely retraced. Well, this is what? This is 0.7932. The highs here, the previous highs, are 0.8037. So it means that the pair should move to the upside. Therefore, we should favor only call options. And this is coming after previous Friday was extremely bearish on the euro-related pairs, with euro US dollar, euro Japanese yen, with euro Great Britain pound moving aggressively to the downside, only for Monday to come and the losses to be reversed, at least part of them. So moving into this week, into this Thanksgiving week in the United States, and into Friday's trading with the CPI to be released, I would keep the bullish perspective open, and being bullish and trading binary options can only be translated into call options for any financial instrument that you are analyzing. So I am buying call options with end of week expiration date based on this terminal impulsive move, and based on the fact that these markets here, from my point of view, are looking quite bullish rather than bearish. I already mentioned the most important economic event to be released in Europe today, this week on Friday, the consumer price index, or the inflation, as the market is expecting 0.3%, which is way far from the 2% target of the European Central Bank, and the let's say possibility that deflation will come a reality in Europe is there. The CPI this week is going to set the course or the pace for ECB's actions next week, when the first Thursday of the month brings the ECB interest rate decision and press conference. And while there is no room for more easing from the ECB, I'm talking about rate cuts, we still may see hints regarding the quantitative easing in Europe, or the possibility to buy even more assets to expand the balance sheet. Is going to be interesting, but for this week, call options on Euro, Great Britain pound, end of week expiration date. Thank you for being here. This is fairbinaryoptions.com. Make sure you check our projects under the Binary Options Academy page, and keep in touch. Bye bye.